Well, hey everyone, welcome back to the Software for Business channel. Today we're diving into a topic that a lot of you have been asking about, the concept of contact people or a contact person and how to CC them in your customer emails within Cin7 Core, also used to be called Dear Systems. And if you deal with customer emails like quotes, invoicing, or even statements, you will want to stick it out for this. So let's get into it. Now, first things first, what exactly is a contact person in Cin7 Core? Well, a contact person is essentially the individual or person that you're dealing with and you're directing your email to. And it's incredibly crucial for targeted and effective communication, as you could imagine. And here's how to fill in the correct contact person field. First, you go to your customer record, click on contacts, and fill in all the people that you deal with at the company. And there are two checkboxes at the very end that's quite important as well. So once you've filled in the contact person, you'll notice that the include an email field is still unchecked. By clicking it, it will help ensure that this person is always included in the email correspondence. And so just watch how it works. If I'm going to click this, an email, then a quote or an invoice, this person will always be CC. But what if you're emailing the same person frequently? That's where the default contact person checkbox comes in handy. You can set it up like this. So note, you can only select one default person per company, and this person will always load by default when you're doing a quote or an order. Notice you can however change the contact person for the particular transaction at any time. Another fantastic feature is the ability to include contacts in the email directly by just typing the email address. Or if you don't want to look up that email address, remember to enable the customer checkbox under the document template. I'll show you that in a minute. And once you do that and you click on this plus sign, you can select it. Understanding and utilizing contact persons and the feature within Cin7 Core is more than just filling out a field. It's about targeted, efficient and effective communication with your clients. And here's some quick tips. Do set a default for every client. Check that to customer field on your form. And do contact us for support. Additionally, don't type out the email. Add the emails to your customer contact database and update the email template with a standard message that will always show. Don't change the code in the layout itself. It can be quite tricky because when you change the template just willy-nilly as if it's a standard Word document, will break the whole template. So make sure you know how. And don't be afraid to ask us for any help or assistance. You can call us. We support many different clients all across Australia. And of course, we do new project implementations as well. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. That would be awesome. Thank you. Bye.